Okay, I'm gonna do a demo of an inventor add-in that I created for my work. It is a ladder configurator. This is gonna configure the ladder per PIP standards 2002. It starts by creating a new file, and you're gonna use the template that I created for this one. So it will have nothing. It's empty, of course. And then you can, once you create that, it's not saved yet. When you can save it right away, and then you can open the ladder configurator. But if you did not save it when you open that one, it's gonna ask you to save it. So I'm just gonna overwrite this one in my test project folder. Yes, in there. Now after you saved it, this form is gonna pop up, and you can do that right away. You can just fill it up, or you can load it. So this configurator is meant to work with using XML files. This is where it will store some of the data of the, I mean, you could even say the parameters, and it's going to be an XML file. This XML file is actually just a text file, and it is generated by another form that I created. Uh, that is the tank configurator form, because this add-in was meant to work with that. So that tank configurator, it will create this XML file. If you open that one using Notepad, you can see it will have all the information about the tank. This one is created by the tank configurator form, which will capture this tank ID, work order, whatever, everything. So in that tank configurator form, there is a section there wherein you could input ladder data, and this is how it is saved. It is going to be saved in a section under ladder. So it will have all this information, dim A, dim B, C, everything, which are actually, if you can see, these are, I labeled them A, B, C, E, F, G. Now once you save that in your tank configurator form, it will create this XML file, which you can then load into this ladder configurator. So I'm going to load that. So as you can see, it loaded all these values from that XML file. And right there and then you can build your ladder, or you can do some more modification. And when you do those changes and save it, it's gonna update that XML file. So these ladder configurator and that tank configurator, they are using the same XML file. So that XML file is the source of truth, they call it. So that's gonna be the source of any information for that project. So as you can see, we can just say maybe we can just change all this. Handrail 750. Let's try to build it. You can make that spacing equal, stuff like that, and you can customize it. Let's say this is good. Let's say this is good. You can build your ladder right there and then. So as you can see, it's gonna build up, bring in all the parts required, and configure it. There. Let me just minimize all that. So yeah, you can see it's already configured. You have your clips in their places. There's a bolt in there, and you can this right away into your main model, and then you can constrain it there. You can, let's say I want to change it to be a side step ladder. I'm just gonna update that, and it's gonna change the stringer, and it will also change the tap hoop, and it will change the cage bars. So as you can see, it created an opening on the right side because you're a side step right. So you see, and then you can now customize this one so that it will tie into as a platform to the side. Okay, let's say you change your mind, and then they wanted a platform up. So what's gonna happen is it will change these to a tap hook that would connect to a platform up top. Let's see, step through and change it back. So there you go. So yeah, and then you can change all of this one, some of these values there. But here one thing I could change here, I could probably bring this up a bit. These clips, the top clips. Maybe I will remove these equal spacing, and maybe I could say 2,800 millimeters, and then I'm just gonna update that, and then alright, brought it up. So you can bring it up to this flare. The top of that clip would be up to that flare. You can bring it up to that, to a maximum of that. If it will go beyond that, then I program in some validation calculation so that if it goes beyond that, it will give me a warning, and then it will show an error, and then I would be forced to fix this ladder clip spacing. So you can also have the option to remove the cage, and you can do that. No, there, see, there's no cage or no top hoop. It will ignore all these inputs. If you say you only need a top hoop only, and then you can just say app tap there. So, well, this add-in is still in the works. There's still some checks that I wanted to put in there. So, yeah. Or you could just bring back the cage. It will just put it back. So, there you go.